Hi friends, today we will see about pile foundations. What is pile foundation? A pile is a slender structural member made of steel, concrete or wood which transfer the superstructural load to the deeper depths. And one cases these pile foundations are used when the soil at or near the ground surface is not capable of supporting a structure. Deep foundations are required to transfer the load to deeper strata. The most common types of deep foundations are pile, pier, and caissons. Where these pile foundations are used, these, these are used for the foundations of some structures such as transmission towers, offshore platforms, which are subjected to uplift pressure, and in case of expansive soils such as the water level changes. And we will know about some classification of piles. The first one, materials used. Based on materials used for the construction of piles, they are subdivided into four, four categories, that is steel piles, concrete piles, timber piles and composite piles. And next one, mode of transfer of load. Based on the mode of transfer of load, the piles can be classified into three categories, that is end bearing piles, friction piles, combined end bearing piles. Next classification is on construction. Based on the method of construction of piles may be classified into five categories: driven piles and cast in situ piles and board cast in situ piles, screw piles, jack piles. These driven piles is also called driven and precast piles. And the next fourth classification is based on use. The piles can be classified into six categories depending upon their uses: load bearing piles, compaction piles, tension piles, sheet piles, tender piles, and anchor piles. And the last classification is displacement of soil. Based on the volume of soil displaced during the installation, piles are classified into two categories. Those are displacement piles and non-displacement piles. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.